Okay, so we just had this delivery from the Lobster Shack up in Cervantes. So we're going to crack this open and see how big this lobster is, shall we? Yeah? We're excited. We're going to cook this up hopefully tomorrow night. How big do you think it is?
It is big.
You think that big?
I think it's that big.
You think that big?
I think it's. I haven't opened it yet, so we don't know. Wow!
Wow, indeed.
Wow.
Okay. Whoa. So we have our very own lobster to make tomorrow night. Ooh.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that, guys.
Ooh. Give him a go with his nose.
What do you think, Cameron?
Beautiful.
You excited, Chloe?
Yes, very excited.
You excited, Mummy?
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Alright, let's put this on the Barbie tomorrow then. Awesome.
And the Barbie.
Alright, we've just watched a short video on how to prepare this little bad boy. So, we're going to give it a go.
A rock lobster from Cervantes.
Okay, never done this before. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay.
Excited too.
We're gonna put them on the barbecue. But first we have to cut them in half.
Whoa. Oh. Whoa. How you get a knife out?
Okay, let's put it in some. Okay, and then, once you've done the head, come
Yeah.
down.
How you get a
Good.
How you get a knife out?
He just pulls it out, buddy. Look, he's gonna cut all the way down the tail. Is
You're
it
strong,
difficult?
Dad.
Yeah, he is.
Thank you, baby.
Wow, Jay.
Alright.
Was it hard?
Yeah, a little bit. But
He
once
looks
it's
hard.
in, just let the knife do the work this end. So
Yeah.
let me just make sure I've got the head.
Whoa.
Ah! It's attacking you!
I'm getting down here so it doesn't.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It should open up nicely now, guys.
Oh. Ew. And
Ew.
that's in the
Mm,
lobster.
Yeah.
Jay, it looks terrific.
And then apparently this thing here,
Oh, yeah, there you go.
What is that?
this is going to come off.
What is it?
It's like the veins or something.
What's the veins?
And that comes out, you don't want that.
Yeah.
What is the veins?
Oh, there's all the inside.
And the end, like that one
Wow.
his food
Perfect.
go.
Woof.
So I'm going to,
All right, we will grill that up.
hang on, I'm going to cut it in, open it, do two of them.
No, Daddy.
So let me.
Okay, so how are we going to season this thing?
Well, I'm
Mommy, that's too
I'm gonna do
long.
it in the video. So I'm gonna take a
No,
big
we're not on
chunk of
that.
butter out, and then I'll put some salt on it, and then we'll serve it with lemon juice. So.
You coming to help, Camden?
No, please, no, please,
Can't help if the butter was melted. Oh, you know what? He did this on the grill, didn't he?
Ah, that's right,
He did this on the grill.
Yeah, okay.
So why don't we? I'll give you the butter slabs, and you can just and the knife, and you
We'll
can
spread them around. Okay, I'm going to chuck them onto the barbecue. Here we go. Got butter on them, which we'll have to spread around in just a moment. One. Our video said to leave them on for about 7 or 8 minutes.
Yeah.
What we're going to do.
Nice. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes.
There's our finished product. Cooked up lobster.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.